Introducing the AD413T and the AD4013MT. Both of these microscopes have magnification powers ranging from 10 to 240 times. When you're working at a zero working distance or touching the object, you can get into focus about 50 to 60 times and as well as 240 times. If you wanted to get any magnification away from 50, let's say 45, 30 or something lower than that, you would have to move the microscope away from your object. So here you see 30, 20, and 10 times. You would each just have to go up in small increments each time. So for example, we have on our screen, we are looking at about 15 times magnification, and we are sitting anywhere from about 4.5 to 4 inches away. In order to get a lower magnification, just bring the microscope higher. And again, like I said previously, when you are working at a zero working distance, so touching the object, you can get 50 times to 240, 220 times the magnification with this particular scope. Now there are a couple different ways that you can take a picture. You can click on the camera image in the window with your mouse, or you can press F11, also takes a picture. So if you're using it handheld and you have your hands are one's holding the microscope and the other one's holding the object, you can obviously click once or double click on the Microtouch feature to snap the picture. This is great for using when you have items that cannot be touched. So if you have any PCB boards or anything like that that cannot be touched, you can also take off the cap of the microscope, put the microscope in the stand, and then use the magnification powers to zoom in to 220 to 240 times with this particular microscope without even touching the object. So in this instance, we're going to set the magnification first, and then we can place the microscope into the stand and then lower the microscope until it gets into view. Once the picture gets into view, then you will know you're at the setting that you set previously. So now you can see we can set the magnification to 100 and then scroll down using the fine adjust tool on our 35B to get that image in focus. And again, we can move down to 150 and then readjust the microscope and get that into focus as well. Now again, this model is an AD model, so you do have some different caps that you can use, open cap or sealed cap, but we do have some other options as well. So we have some adaptations for dentistry or other applications that use a 90-degree viewing angle or a shaved end 45-degree viewing angle. We have a slide holder cap. We also have a cap with some rounded ridges in it, so you can look at a pen or a piece of rod or something like that and still stay sturdy. And on this particular cap, there are different notches. So there are some small notches here and then some larger notches for maybe a thicker gauge or something that is a little bit thicker in width. And this particular model has a measurement feature on it, so after you take the picture, you can go ahead and measure the image that you took a picture at. So anything that's in focus is what you want to measure. Anything out of focus is not going to give you a true reading. So measure something that's in focus on your image. And with our new software, you can also measure things on the fly as well, so you don't have to take a picture first. You can also do your measurements live on the screen. And you will have different measurement options. We have line, circle, radius, diameter, 3-point arc, 3-point circles, and so on. So definitely check that out.